Good day, friends. My name is God's Power Adishi. You are welcome to GPAD Learn Math. So this tutorial is a sequel to the last tutorial on plane shapes. So we have an example here. The area of a square is r centimeter square. Write down an expression for half its perimeter in terms of r. So what I'll do here, first of all, is to understand what this question is asking us to find and what we're given. We're given the area as this. So it means that I am to find the perimeter from the area. So let's start by writing the formula for calculating the area of a square. And the formula is L square. And this is equal to what we're given here. And we're given r centimeter square. So what do I do here? Because I need to find the length of this square so that I can find the perimeter of the square. So I'm going to square root both sides. Square root both sides. If you do that, your length will be equal to root r centimeter. So this is the length of the area. Now we need to find the perimeter first before we can even find an expression for half its perimeter. And the formula for calculating the perimeter of a square again is 4L. So all I have to do is multiply this length by 4. And that is 4 times root r centimeter. Okay, and this is 4 root r centimeter. But that's not all. We're asked to find an expression for half its perimeter. So 1/2 of the perimeter. What that basically means is just for you to multiply the perimeter by half or by 1/2. Okay, so I have this. Now 2 into 4, that will give me, okay, let me just put the times here. 2 into 4, that will give me 2. So half the perimeter of this square is 2 root r centimeter. Okay, so that is that. Now we proceed to the next example. The diagonal of a square is 60 centimeter. Calculate its perimeter. So what do I have to do here first? Now let me just draw a square and then show you the diagonal. So this is a square. Okay, so this is the okay, I draw it from here. This is the diagonal. All right, and of course all the angles in a square are right angles. So this is length, and length, L for length, and we're told that the diagonal of this square is 60 centimeters. So this is 60. All right, now let me bring out this right angle triangle. All right, so this 60 again, this L and this L. Now we need to find the length of this square so that we can find the perimeter of the square. So I'm going to use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of this square. And the formula says that the square of the longest side. Now this 60, this side 60 is the longest side because it's facing the right angle. So this is the longest side. The square of the longest side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. All right, so 60 squared is equal to L squared plus L squared. That will give you 2L squared. Now what's 60 squared? That was 3600 or 3600, and this is equal to 2L squared. So divide both sides by 2, and here you will have 1800 is equal to L squared. So from there, I need to take square root of both sides so that I can eliminate this square that is with the L, that is with the length. So the square root, you take away the square, and then you have root 1800. But I need to find the square root of this, and I can, if you look at the options here, they are all in sort form. All right, so I can do something here. So 1800 can be written like this: 2 times 900. All right, 2 times 900 is 1800. So square root will cancel the square, and I have length. All right, let me just, I think I can squeeze in this here. So this again is root 2 times root 900, and this is equal to L. So that's root 2 times root 900 is 30. So the is equal to L. So the length is equal to 30 root 2. All right. Now I had to do 2 and 900 because 900 is a perfect square, and the square root of 900 is 30. So let's find the perimeter of this square. The formula for calculating the perimeter of a square is 4L. All right. The formula for calculating the perimeter of a square is 4L. So this is equal to 4 times the length is 30 root 2. And 4 times 30 is 120 root 2. So this is the answer. If you check, we have option D as the answer here. All right. So before I end this lecture, let me just give you an exercise. So this is an exercise for you to do. You can pause the video, solve this question, and leave your answer in the comment section. Do let me know what you think about this video. Thank you so much for listening. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel. God bless you. See you next time.